I am a lover of frugality. My table is no exception. Hi, this is Mama J. I love to save on everything, especially food. Today the Frugal Table is featuring my new ebook, 7 Strategies That Could Stretch Those Food Budget Dollars When Dining In or Out, to help you create everyday money-saving habits when you're buying food. If you are looking to stretch your food budget dollars, then you have come to a place that could get you started. There are many ways you could implement in getting more stretch out of your day-to-day food dollars. In addition, specialty diets like being vegan can present extra challenges. However, there are ways that everyone can implement to save on food. Being one that likes to save, I'm also one that doesn't like to constantly focus on stretching those budget dollars, recognizing that not every savings tool or opportunity will be a good fit for me. I am a big believer in customizing the fit. This video and ebook is a get your feet wet day-to-day saving on food kind of read. If you decide to continue this journey with me, we get even deeper into ways to save, without using grocery coupons or recipes, which are super great, but also recognizing lesser-known tools that are also up for the task. Thank you again for stopping by. To get a copy of my new ebook, 7 Strategies That Could Stretch Those Food Budget Dollars When Dining In or Out, see the link in the description below.